So the local Triumph dealer where I bought my Bonneville T120, they merged with the local BMW motorcycle dealership. At the time, that was called BMW Motorcycles of Western Oregon. Now the combined dealerships are called Cascade Moto. I love the Triumph dealership. I've been to one or two events at the BMW dealership, but to be honest, BMW bikes are not really my thing. I'm much more into the classic old school styling of the Triumph Bonneville. Anyhow, today the BMW dealer was doing a demo day for the BMW CE 04 electric scooter. They called it burgers, brats, and batteries. So I thought I'd ride by and see the scooter. I expected the event to be fairly well attended. As I was driving up, I have to say, I got a little worried. I mean, there's nobody here. So I drove into the parking lot. I thought, okay, this is a bust. I figured I'll just loop through the parking lot, out the other side. Nothing here to see even. I couldn't even, I was like, where's the scooter? So I round the corner over here, looking at the BMW bikes, see the scooter on the left under the canopy. So I'm like, okay, what the heck? Stop, turn around, park, let's take a look at it, right? So my first impression is that this scooter is fairly ugly. I mean, it looks like it's designed by a video game vehicle designer. I don't know who wants the ugly 04 on the side. The whitish color, it just didn't do it for me. And also, it's too angular. I mean, if it's not a video game scooter, it's definitely a transformer. And the thing that's odd is that, while BMW motorcycles don't really do it for me, they are fairly sophisticated, styled motorcycles. The next big problem that was the cost. Right, the scooter was $13,000, but the battery pack is eventually going to fail. So I went inside to ask them what would it cost to replace the battery pack. The replacement of the battery pack was $4,500. So every 4 to 5 years, you're spending about 25% of the cost of the original scooter just to replace the batteries. So my overall impression was, who's going to spend $13,000 when you could get a much better motorcycle for $13,000?